Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday. It's December the 29th, 2011. Like we do every night, I got 3 market charts to analyze for you, so check this out. 3 different ones every night. All right, we're looking at the PowerShares US Dollar Index, the bullish fund, and it's a bullish chart, let me tell you. You've got a lot of stuff going on here. This is basically the chart pattern that I'm seeing develop here, okay? So you can see this basic little situation here, breaks out to new highs, notice that, and then this little thing going on here. Anybody know what that is? Cup with handle, huh? Yeah, I think so too. Looks really bullish here, and I would expect this situation has actually got legs to move to the upside, so keep an eye on that. She is very bullish. Okay, let's look here at the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index. Anytime price activity makes a turn on these charts here, we keep them on our website at PerfectStockAlert.com. The website's actually not available at the moment. It's being worked on, but it will be up again soon. On that website, we keep these charts, 15 different market charts that we analyze: gold, silver, global markets, etc., etc. Anytime that price activity pivots, we mark it with an arrow pointing down if it pivots to the downside, or an arrow pointing up if it pivots to the upside. And some of those are great trading opportunities, and some of those are not, and you have to know which is which in order to effectively trade it. Basically, you want to look at the chart pattern to figure that out. This one here is marked with a red arrow to the downside, with the stop was right here if you were going to actually trade that. I wouldn't, however, because it seems to me that this chart is actually quite bullish. Actually, I think a lot of the U.S. markets are right now, and what you're seeing right here is just a kicking pattern. You've come up here back to that previous resistance line, but you made higher highs. Now you sold off a little bit, touched this middle Bollinger Band line, and turned right around and started moving back to the upside. I think what you're doing is kicking, moving sideways, preparing for a move that's actually, I believe, going to break out to the upside. How high, I'm not yet certain at this time. I wouldn't bet on a lot of that, but I do see a move to the upside. Quite a lot of potential there for that. So keep an eye on it. It's just something that I'm not bearish on. And right now the markets are still in an overall uptrend. When that's going on, you just want to stay with the trend. Third chart of the day to look at today, we're going to be looking at the S&P 500 Large Cap Index, the SPX, and it is, my analysis for this chart is ditto. Whatever I just said for the Russell 2000, you can apply it to this chart. Exact same scenario. We're just kicking, moving sideways here, so I'm still, it's got a pivot arrow on it, but it's not, I wouldn't short this. You're still in an uptrend here. You've got lots of bullish conditions here on the chart, and I think you're just moving sideways before you do attempt to break out of this high here. Now, it may be wrong, I don't know, but we'll wait and see. Right now, I see a resistance line with a upslope on your support line there. I think she's going to break out to the upside, so keep an eye on it. If you guys appreciate today's analysis, well, good. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Take care. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.